Sonia, come. Siama, Sonia, come. Seeing is believing, Mutani. Let him see the state. Now, EP Korpa, Prime Minister, advertisement Korpa, the Kotian Poshai. तुमका पोस्ट पर देखो पोस्ट का घेऊन या रे ना दोन जण आते व्हीलचेअर आते का आपण होते सीएम बंगला कती माइला चल 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 पाण्यात चल दोन जण मिळून तीन जण चल वर चल आपण
ते प्रोटेस्ट करपाक बसलेले तेच्या पयलीं ऑलरेडी सीएमान तांकां भितर इन्वायट केलें आनी भितर ते उलयताले तशें आमी आयकलां डॉनल्ड तांचो हेजो इज वन ऑफ द मेन केअरटेकर ऑफ द एंटायर स्पीच प्रोविडन्स जे नॉन NGO आसा तेणें सांगलें 2000 कांयच जायना कसलेंच तुमचो रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफील जायना बायलांचे रिक्वायरमेंट जे आसा मच मोर आसा बिल्स जे आसा मच मोर आसा आनी हे जर तर सॅटिस्फाय जावन तेंची इतली दीज वुमन जाल्यार तांकां अप्रोप्रिएट पयशे मेळोंक जाय आनी तेच डिमांड घेवन ते भितर गेल्या आनी ते डिमांडान ते डिस्कस करतले कशे तांकां तो फंड्स जे बिल्स ते कशे ते रिलीज जातले आनी तेणें अशें पण म्हणलां जे ज्योती देसाई जे आसा डायरेक्टर तेणें म्हणटा कॉन्वर्सेशन जातलें म्हणून कॉन्वर्सेशन ते ट्रस्ट करना म्हणून ताका आतां फुडें सीएमा कडेन उलोवन ते समाधान करपाक ते हिंगा येयले आनी किमान ते इमिडिएटली जे प्रोटेस्ट करपाक बसले तेन्ना तांकां ऑलरेडी तांच्या व्हरून ताका भितर इन्वायट केलें कॉन्फरन्स म्हणून अशें आयकलां आमी आनी तांकां ते कडेन उलयलेले तांकां मेळटले आमकां तर तेजेर फुटेज मेळटा ते आमकां तांकां धाडटले बट आतां सद्याक आमचे कडेन कांयच फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमकां दिवपाक ना पूण ताका लागून तुमकां स्टे ट्यून म्हणटा आमी तेजेर फॉलो व्हिडिओ घालत रावतले ह्या बंदूचेर आतां आमी सायन ऑफ करता प्लीज हो व्हिडिओ मातसो शेअर करात लोकां कडेन पाव आनी तांकां हो मेसेज
अटेरा
फाटिया
मॅडम किती आले सीएमाक मेळ्ळी तुमी
सीएमाक मेळ्ळी प्रॉमीस केल्ले प्रॉमीस केला तुवें आनी हे आमकां तेंच्या
फोटो काढून तुम्ही साईड प्रेमी देता मरे
See, it's a shelter home for people with mental disabilities, which we are running last 7 years. Last year, the government of Goa through social welfare has declared as the best NGO. Now, all these people, out of 180 inmates, 70% are Goans. Out of ladies, 85% are Goans. So, we have been taking grant from Women and Child and Social Welfare Department. Women and Child, we have one home which has been funded last 4 years at a rate of 6.5 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees a year, just with some 10% increase. 2020, there was a scheme called Swadargrah, which the Women and Child Department advertised, paid a few lakhs of rupees, but nobody took the scheme because the rules were very difficult and nobody was having the infrastructure. So they called us in December 2020 and we applied for the scheme. The scheme was accepted and we started a home in COVID, that is April 21. March 22, we realized that they were not giving us the money. So we complained to the Disability Commissioner, Mr. Guru Pavaskar. He issued a notice to Women and Child Director, and that matter went on for 8 months to 9 months. Whereas we ran the scheme again for the next year from 1st April 2022, because they did not tell us to stop, neither did they tell us to start. In December 22, they told us that we cannot give you the money. You convert this scheme into a state scheme, which we agreed. But when we converted to a state scheme, the secretary, Mr. Arun Kumar Mishra ji, promised, assured and wrote on the paper that this scheme will be paid 80% of what was the central government scheme. Now December 1st, 2023, they have issued an order to us. For half the rate. That means for 20 ladies, they are paying us 2,500 rupees. So when I have been following up with this department, 52 Mondays I have gone to Women and Child Department for the full year, moving the file, checking the file, talking to them, making them call everybody. 8 to 9 times I have followed up with Mishra ji. He has said the money will be given to you. Now when they are giving me 6,40,000 to look after 20 ladies, that comes to 2,500 rupees, which is not acceptable. In between last year, a particular minister who was concerned about persons with disability approached the deputy director and she assured to move the file and upgrade the scheme. Today she says, I forgot to move the file. That calculation is done in 2003, what they are paying us that for the state scheme. And now we are 2023. At 2,500 rupees, why I should waste my time? Then she is saying, I will take over your homes. So I told her, you take over the homes, but the homes are on rent. They are paying us 6,000 rupees rent and we are paying 15 to 18,000 rupees rent. The evaluation of the home, this particular home is done at 43,000 rupees by the PWD department. The scheme says you have to pay us 18,000 rupees, but when we have put the paper for 18, she is paying us 6,000. So the issue is Jyoti Desai. We are accusing Jyoti Desai, the deputy director, of not cooperating with anybody in that department. Forget me. She has troubled the previous director and now she is troubling the current director. I have seen my files not signed by her. It has been signed by director and secretary, but not signed by her. Jyoti Desai. She is acting tough. Last year I told her I'll bring the person. She said bring. I got up. She said sit, and she gave me some money. Every time we cannot come on the street. I have a full-time job. I work in a company. I am not running on the NGO. I am living on the NGO. The same scheme for men is given by social welfare, paid advance. With respect they teach us. They treat us. You give any money. Give with respect. You cannot give to, April 21, 22 money in December 23 and that to half the rate because you forgot, your staff forgot. How are we responsible? You can't threaten me, I'll take over your homes. Take over. I am not saying don't take. You shut me down. You shut me down. I am ready to close all the homes. 180 people I'll put on the street tomorrow morning. Let them take them. She is telling me we'll take over your homes. Do what? We will run. Run, I told her. Take for my home first. I told her for 2,500 rupees you are going to get somebody to work in your home. See the capacity and guts she got. She's telling me you are threatening me. I said I'm not threatening you. I am frustrated. I am disappointed. I am upset. These are not my concern. This is the state concern. She's saying I'm doing you a favor. I told her what favor you're doing me? By approving a file. I said cancel the file. Cancel the file. Don't accept my application and tell Goa police, tell IPHB, tell district hospital, don't recommend patients to us. We are not collecting anybody. It's all come through these departments. Give your numbers. From tomorrow, I will give her number out. Director is ready to approve. She is not ready to approve. Director and she are not seeing eye to eye. People are suffering there. And this is not the first time it's happening. What is the reason she's saying you are taking so much money from the government? I told her I have so many people. These are my people. For 5,000 rupees, you can look after a person with mental disability. She should issue a notice to the police. Don't bring them to our home. We are not begging now. We have 240 beds. If we convert 240 beds to paid at the rate of 25,000, we can make 50-60 lakhs. Why the hell we need to die here? If we are giving a service to the people in Goa, there is a commitment. If you cannot keep the commitment, you issue me a notice now and say we are cancelling the file. How you expect some? How? all of them are taking psychiatric medicine from 6 tablets to 9 tablets to 12 tablets to 13 tablets. This is one set. I will show you another set beyond repairs. All are Goans. End of this year, there will be more than 240 Goans in my home. So, who is going to pay the bill? Okay, we appreciate the government giving us support. I'll tell where the government is giving support. Only this department is IPHB, GMC, District Hospital is giving us good support. We don't have any complaint. Social welfare giving good support, no complaint. Ration, civil supplies giving us ration, no complaint. We don't have any issue with no department. This lady is acting tough. She has told I'm doing you a favor, which she is not doing me a favor. I am doing a service. If you don't like me, tell me to get lost. I'll go. Tomorrow, just now I'll go. Just now you tell me you'll take all the 20 ladies. We will go. We'll hand over to you. She tell me go and put in this form. How will I put? How can you say you forgot?
Doesn't she know that you are doing service?
She's saying I know, but I cannot do anything. I said you cannot do. You should have told me no. I cannot do. So how will I work with 2,500 rupees? We should use that scheme is calculated in 2003. We are in 2023. Every time she comes, she turns the file. I told her stop turning the file. We'll talk point to point. You want me or you don't want me? If you don't want me, terminate me. If you want me, pay me what I am asking, what you are supposed to give. I am not saying 5,000 rupees you can look after a person with height. We are saying at least give 5,000. So this cannot go on. CM has assured to look into the matter. Yesterday we made an SOS appeal to Health Minister, to Women and Child Minister. We have informed Director of Social Welfare, Director of Minister of Social Welfare. We have informed everybody. Baba, this is our problem. Either you will solve it or we go.
What CM is told now?
No, Samara Monday.
Okay, now tell us what is the message that you would like to tell the minister from this?
See, Health Minister is not aware what, the Women and Child Minister is not aware of what Jyoti is doing. Jyoti is running the department. You all go and ask. Don't listen to what I am saying. You go to Jyoti madam, you go to the previous director and go to the current director and see for yourself. This is not the way to run a department. And I am not the only guy complaining. People are scared to complain. Tomorrow they will take revenge. I know. I am ready. See, all the ministers lift my phone except the health minister. So I cannot, see, I have a job. You want me to write letters to everybody? Don't you know what is happening in the state? I robbed them and brought them to my home. See, there is a lady from his department. Where is that? From his constituency, house was burnt. Police were giving her a place to stay in the police station in the day and sleep in the school in the night. Till today, he is not gone to see her. What will say? Don't take. We will take anybody. It's a human being and priority governs we will take. But 2,500 rupees, I mean, there we have reached, and that too after 2 years. And you are doing me a favor and telling me that you are passing my file. Pass your file. Every director thinks they are making money. So you take my seat, I'll take your seat. You make money. If you think there's so much money in NGOs, you come. You also start no NGOs. You also start shelter homes.
So you have brought this to the notice of the Chief Minister now?
Yes.
Last year, Chief Minister gave me Best NGO Award at his hands. Chief Minister also receives my messages daily. All ministers receive my broadcast daily. Everybody knows what I'm doing. But this is not the way that we should bring them to here and come, no? We told Jyoti madam, you calm down, see and take a decision. She said no. We were forced to take her up. We took all these inmates all these ladies to her floor. She said come after 15 days. I told you keep her for 15 days in some shelter. She said me go and drop them there. I said why? You drop them if you want.
No. Now since you have discussed everything with the Chief Minister, what has Chief Minister said?
On Monday he will sort it out. Nobody can avoid this because Women and Child Secretary has assured me that he will pay me 80% of the central government scheme to the state government scheme. I'm not even asking 100% of what I paid. I'm saying give me 80% because you assured. Now you are giving 50%. 50% comes to 2,500 and it is not 1 year, it is 2 years. So where do we go from here? The scheme is 12 lakhs, the central government scheme. The state government scheme is about 6.5 lakhs. The state government is for 10 people, the central government is for 20 people. We have looked after 20 people. You are giving me 20 people's money at the rate of 10 people. It comes to 2,500. You be like social welfare, no? Give advance. If one department is giving advance, why you are not giving? Both are coming from the same finance ministry. They are treating me like they are doing me a favor. I am not doing a favor. I am again telling on media. I am doing a service. If my services are not required, the government can send me a letter. Take all these 180 people with psychiatric disability and close my homes down. All the homes are rented. I don't own any property, neither do I own any buildings. What I own is only some cars, which we use to transport the people. We don't have any assets. We are not running it as a profit-making business, as an old age home, as a paid shelter home. We are running as a shelter home for people who are having mental disabilities and living on the streets and who have no family to care for them. This cannot go on. Next time we will come with all 180 people.
Exactly.
This cannot. Every time they are promising. They are showing us I'm moving the file as if they are doing me a favor. On top of she telling my person, no, we are doing a favor by approving his house. Are approve. Complicated.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
आमी सांगपाक इतलें आसा पळय आमी हे सोशल वर्क ताका सगळ्यांक आमी येयल्या ताका सपोर्ट करपाक कारण जेन्ना अशीं बायलां जावं कोणी आमकां मेळटा जाल्यार आमी ताकाच फोन करता पुलिसांक सांगता तेजे कडेन व्हरोन सोड म्हणून आनी आज जर ती बायलां जे हँडिकॅप कशी आसा तांकां सबंद दिसाक 3 फावटी 4 फावटी टॅबलेट दिवपाक जाय एक मनीस तेंच्या वांगडा जाय अशें सगळे केअर घेता जाल्यार सरकारा कडेन स्वता कडेन खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार खंयच सेंटर ना
I've done research on the Swadhar Grace scheme. I've seen the website. The website is still functioning. The Swadhar Grace scheme is still running. There are 357 Swadhar Grace in India. Okay. गोंयांच कित्याक ना कित्याक गोंया ना कित्याक हेणी जे पळय इनिशिएटीव घेवपाक जाय आसलेले पळय ते घेयना हे सुसेगाद बसले थिंगासर पण आमी कितें करपाचें सगळी ती सगळी बायलो आहा पळय ती रस्त्यार आहा सामा यूज सामा मिसयूज सो ताका लागून आमी आनी ताणें डॉनल्डान पासून म्हटलें आमकां बाबा तुवें आमचे कितलीं भुरगीं हाडले कितले लेडीज हाडल्या तांकां व्हर आतां आपणा कडेन जायना तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जालो कितले वर्सान कितले पावटी म्हणून ताणें वचून तेजे ऑफिसान बसपाचें ज्योतीची ऑफिसान सो ताका लागून आमी आतां कंटिन्युअसली हें करता ताका तेणें आतां सांगलां आमकां 15 दिसांनी करता म्हणल्यार 15 दिसां आमी कितें करपाचें आनी सगळो लोक एश्युरन्सूच दिता फकत आमी सांगलें तूं बरोवन दी
She said 15 days back. CM said in the new year, so she was telling that.
15 दीस दी आमी तुका स्टेट स्कीम हें करून येतले अपग्रेड करून स्टेट स्कीम अपग्रेड करून तुमकां एक्स्ट्रा कितें करता आमी तूं इतले 6 म्हयने जेन्ना पळय डॉनल्ड येतालो तुका मेळपाक 6 म्हयने तुका आतां कळोंक ना 6 म्हयने कळोंक ना तुका ती अपग्रेड करूंक जाय म्हणून म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या
Last year, Subhash had come. Subhash Paldesai had gone to her office on my behalf. She promised him, I will revise the scheme. That was 1 year back. Now she's saying, I forgot. She can't forget. She's
now
purposely
that she
doing
is
it.
blaming the staff आपण तुमकां सांगलेलें हें कर आनी तें कर
खबरो मारूंक बसता ऑफिसांनी
थँक्यू